Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we are going to run a Python program using the Jupyter Notebook. For that, we'll open our Anaconda Navigator. Inside the Anaconda Navigator, we can find a launch button for the Jupyter Notebook. The moment you hit the launch button, a terminal is opened, which in turn will open our Jupyter Notebook. So this is our root directory. We can create a folders or a file based upon our need. Now I will create Jupyter Notebook file. The main advantage of using the Jupyter Notebook is that you can run a Python program in individual blocks. So in our previous example, we created a Python program in a .py file and we ran the entire .py file. Whereas in Jupyter Notebook, we can run a Python program in each individual block. So first, we will start with creating a variable. Welcome to the course. So, in this example, we have created a variable called a and assigning a string value called welcome to the course. So, if I hit the run button, the value welcome to the course will be assigned to the variable a. And yes, now we can print the variable. If I run this line, the Python interpreter will run this line of command, the print statement, and print the final result. Let's run the program and check this out. And yes, welcome to the course has been printed. So if you guys notice, we don't need to type the entire program and run the program in a single go. We can break down our program and run in blocks so that we can identify where we are going wrong, and it provides an easy way to understand how the programming works. So that is the reason I chose Jupyter Notebook for this course. I believe you guys understood how to create a Python file in Jupyter Note and run the program. See you guys in the next video.